this mirror is glued to the wall in globs of mastic. And we're going to take the suction cups, or I'm going to take the suction cups, and I'm going to pull out and basically tear the paper off the sheetrock. The mastic is not going to let go of the paper. And there's probably, boy, 20, 25 globs of little golf ball sized globs of mastic behind this. And usually these areas right here where they went through, those are usually areas where mastic is eaten through the backing of the mirror. So we'll pull this mirror off, hopefully in one piece. I put these little blocks here because the mirror isn't in a J mold, it's on an L angle. So there's the chance that once we do get it off, you know, it's only sitting on a 3/16 leg here. So I put these blocks here in case the mirror slides off. It at least lands on those little blocks. The mirror may break with me just pulling on it. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. So, don't have suction cups. These have a little red line on them, so if you see the red line come out as you're holding it, let me know. And we'll try to stop what we're doing and set down safely so we can repump it. One of them was letting go, this one was, but I cleaned it with some spray away. This one seems a little, probably should clean this one. If it breaks, it breaks. To try to pick this up, so I don't know if you feel better curling it this way. Get more strength on it, or having it way down low. It's your call. Whatever you feel strong enough to do. So you're just going to help me lift it. So lean it here, and then we'll pick straight up, and we'll bring it over the countertop, get it to where we're comfortable, and then walk it, lay it on that carpet out there.
Okay, watch you guys stand right here, buddy.
If someone wants to do this themselves, they need to buy this suction cups. There's no other way to get the mirror. And it's just the paper we're pulling. Mastic will not let go. There we go. Pulling about as hard as I can pull.
Whereas the mirror isn't broken yet.
Don't say that.
Yeah, don't say that.
Okay, see what it did?
Came all the way off.
You're completely off the electrical.
Should I move this?
So hold your hand in there.
We'll leave that in there. Wasn't that what these blocks are for?
Well, they are, but I don't want it. If we can avoid it sliding off, then I'd rather not. Go ahead and hold.
Put it down here.
Yeah, go ahead and put it cup down low. Okay, so we'll put pressure in.
Like I'm in section.
Is that completely? Yeah, it's completely. So we're still on the L angle. So you want to raise your cup or you want to switch? Hold on, don't take your cup. Said switch. Okay, so now we're gonna fix yours and lift it over the faucets. Okay, 1, Very good. Very nice. That's about a 50% success rate, so we did pretty good.
I think you did great.
What's
Awesome.
the other 50% breakage on the wall? Didn't want to tell you that, but well, I don't usually get it off the wall.
Good job, guys.
It's all mastic.
Yeah, why am I try it?
Are you keeping this mirror for something?
With a frame, it'll probably be 40. I think it's carbide steel wheel. CR Lawrence, CRL. CR Lawrence is a manufacturer. So, let's go 36. 36. Since you got 3 of them, might as well use them.
Oh, what's that?
That's just valve oil, or like sewing machine oil. Just want a little lubricant. Sounds good. This is where it's going to be tough.
Dang.
One.
Are you scoring it? Or is that the actual?
No, I'm just listening to the wheel.
Does it sound good?
Yeah.
Daddy, put up. I'm gonna show. What's that? Wait. Will you try it? Daddy, open it.
Left. I didn't realize you had Luminox.
They're a little more visible. Well, it's already done.
Then you'll frame those?
Yeah, it's gonna get this wood here. I'm gonna go over it like that. It's got a backing that'll fill up the gap against the sheetrock, but that's how it'll trim out. And I cut it down in some of it was bad. It had started, you know, the water that had splashed up on it was starting to erode the silver on the back of the mirror, so it was starting to get that funky looking, you know, eroding silver that's on the back. So I had to strip that off, but I needed to strip it anyways to get the height that I wanted. in order to get this frame all the way around it. Top, bottom, sides. So I think it'll look good when it's all done.